Welcome to the informative Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first let's just unlock our SIM card here, and after that let's open the settings and scroll down to the security section. Then scroll a little bit more down and tap to SIM card lock. Now just to remove SIM pin from our device SIM card, we should click once on the switcher, and after that enter the pin code, your currently pin code. In my case that's from 1 to 4. After that just tap to OK, and that's it. We just successfully now remove SIM pin from our device SIM card. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.